Hey everyone, it's that time for us here in Chicago. We are wrapping up. This is pretty much what we do at the end of every season. We start with our wet units while we still have some sun out. It's going to get really cold really fast. It's going to get really cloudy. So this one here we have laying on its side. We don't always lay them like that. This one is pretty wet. We try to open the zippers a little bit. I know they say it's not good for the life of the zipper, but just to let some of the air out. That's if they're really bad. If they're just not really too wet, then we just put a chair under them or something like that just to tip them over. Because our number one priority before we put them away for the next 6 months, these things are literally going to be put away for 6 months or more. We need to make sure that there's no water in them whatsoever. So we tip them on their sides. That helps dry them. We open these zippers a little bit. And next we make sure that they're clean. And we throw some fabric softeners in there, just some fabric sheets, and then we roll them up. Now another big thing we do is we inspect every single one to make sure all the D-rings are fine. I'll have to kind of show you guys that. I'll go inside and get that for you guys right now and show you guys our list. But this is pretty much today here. We got some generators out, just trying to get as many out as possible while we still have some sun, because that sun disappears in Chicago faster than you know it. And then we won't see it for months. So let me show you guys our list, how we kind of go through some of this stuff and what our checklist looks like. So let me go inside. Dun, dun, dun. Can I see the checklist? All right, you don't got it on a clipboard. All right, so this is pretty much what our checklist looks like. Let me kind of get in the sun here. So we have each unit listed here. It might not be a good idea. Here. So we have each unit listed, and we check when the unit is clean. We check if there's any D-ring issues. A lot of ours have D-ring issues where there's no D-ring. So every single unit, before we put it away, needs to have all the D-rings reattached. We'll put rope if there's not, and then we have make sure they're clean. And then if they need any, if they have any netting damage or need to be patched, or if they're stained, then we check them here. And then we have a notes section. If you guys need this, I'm happy to kind of give you guys a copy of this. Just mention in the comments. But pretty much, we're not going to get to everything today, right? We're not going to get to fix every problem today. We fix the main ones, like if there's no D-rings or something like that, then we'll fix that before we put it away. We're going to clean all this crap before we put it away. But if it's got a patch that we might not get to right now, or some netting issue that we're going to have to send for professional repair, then we'll get to that at the beginning of next season, maybe, if we can't get to it now, but we at least want to know. So that's pretty much how we do things. Hope this helps. Again, if you guys want that list, just let me know in the comments and I'll send you kind of ours, and you can edit it with your stuff from there. Hope this helps.